Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to cancel Google Photos subscription on the iPhone. You have to start by open App Store and then click at the profile icon at the right top. So make sure firstly that you use your current account. Where you have this subscription. Under the apps you will find the line subscription. You need to tap at this line. I have no subscription at this account, but if you have something, under the apps you will find. So you just tap at this line, and after that let me show you what you will see. So you will see all subscription what you have. You need to find, in this example we have Google Drive. So when you buy a subscription, you share the space between Google Photos, Google Drive and Gmail. So you may have not Google Drive but Google One, and you just tap at this line and then you will see this menu. And right here you need to only click Cancel Subscription. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!